Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. Honorable Dr. Haji Anifuddin Madun and Honorable Dr. Haji Khairatul Dawati, as the Director of Pesantren Perkam Lari Banifda. Excellency my teacher and excellency my parents and my friend. Here today I want to present imagination web. The title is Muhammad Hatta. Oke. Nah, jadi Muhammad Hatta, or often called Bung Hatta, was the first vice president of Indonesia. Muhammad Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. His father is Haji Muhammad Jamil and his mother is Siti Saleha. His father died when he was 8 months old. Hatta married to Rahmi Hatta on November 18th, 1945. The couple had 3 children named Meutia Farida Hatta, Jamal Rabi'ah Hatta, and Halida Nuriyah Hatta. Hatta started his education at a private school named Sekolah Melayu. Then he went to ELA, European Language School. He continued his school to Mulo, with Gabriel Langer or Dewich. Hatta began to show his interest in politics and national movement since he was 16 years old. He joined Jang Sumatrayanin Bond and he was chosen as the treasurer. In 1919, Hatta went to Hogri Burger School, HBS, in Batavia, Jakarta. He finished his study with distinction in 1921, and he was allowed to continue his study to Rotterdam School of Commerce in Netherlands. He took economics as his major and got a doctorate degree. He then continued to pursue his doctorate degree, but he didn't finish his thesis because politics had taken over his life. Okay. In Netherlands, Hatta joined the Indische-Vereniging in 1922. Indische-Vereniging changed its name to Indonesische Vereniging Verhimpunan Indonesia. Hatta was treasurer from 1922 until 1925, and then he became the chairman from 1926 until 1930. Perhimpunan Indonesia then changed from a student organization to political organization that demand for Indonesia's independence. It expressed its voice through a magazine called Indonesia Merdeka, of which Hatta was the editor. Nah, jadi Muhammad Hatta itu atau sering dipanggil Bung Hatta adalah wakil presiden pertama Indonesia. Muhammad Hatta lahir di Bukit Tinggi, Sumatera Barat pada tanggal 12 Agustus 1902. Ayahnya bernama Haji Muhammad Jamil dan ibunya bernama Siti Saleha. Ayahnya meninggal ketika dia berusia 8 bulan. Hatta menikah dengan Rahmi Hatta pada 18 November 1945. Pasangan ini dikaruniai 3 anak bernama Meutia Farida Hatta, Jamal Rabi'ah Hatta, dan Halida Nuriyah Hatta. Hatta memulai pendidikannya di sekolah swasta bernama Sekolah Melayu. Kemudian dia melanjutkan ke ILS, Sekolah Bahasa Eropa. Ia melanjutkan sekolahnya ke Mulo, with Gabriel Lager under which Hatta mulai menunjukkan ketertarikannya pada politik dan pergerakan nasional sejak ia berusia 16 tahun. Ia bergabung dengan Jang Sumatrayanin Bond dan terpilih sebagai bendahara. Pada tahun 1919, Hatta bersekolah di Hogere Burger School, HBS, di Batavia atau Jakarta. Ia menyelesaikan studinya dengan cemerlang pada tahun 1921 dan diizinkan melanjutkan studinya ke Rotterdam School of Commerce di Belanda. Ia mengambil jurusan ekonomi dan mendapat gelar doktorandus. Ia kemudian melanjutkan studi doktoralnya Namun tesisnya tidak terselesaikan karena politik telah mengambil alih hidupnya. Di Belanda, Hatta bergabung dengan Indische Vereniging pada tahun 1922. Indische Vereniging berganti nama menjadi Indonesische Vereniging Perhimpunan Indonesia. Hatta menjabat sebagai bendahara pada tahun 1922 sampai 1925 dan kemudian menjadi ketua pada tahun 1926 sampai 1930. Perhimpunan Indonesia kemudian berubah dari organisasi mahasiswa menjadi organisasi politik yang menuntut kemerdekaan Indonesia. Mereka menyuarakan pendapatnya melalui majalah Indonesia Merdeka yang mana Hatta menjadi editornya. Thanks for attention. I'm Mr. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.